I think you should be a good there. All good to me. Yeah, we're lucky in the situation with the Amarok. We've got a great independent differential, so all the torque can be sometimes taken off each wheel, so you're able to split torque from each wheel independently, which helps you in full driving situation. The car's a lot smarter than you think, and the off-road capability, the off-road setting for the traction control is superb in these Amaroks. It allows you to do this sort of stuff day in, day out without having to be worried to be stuck in sandy, gravelly material that we're driving at the moment. So yeah, a car with brains.